Okay, today's task is 93 restore IP addresses. So, so the idea that I have right now is to say we have this one line. So we I now okay. So I'll find the place where to put dot. So let's say I put the dot at after. Let's say this one gonna be the part one. Part one gonna be 2.25 or 255, and then the part 2 in this case gonna be 2.5 and then I cannot have like 552. The maximum is 255. Here only two branches. Here 25 and then 5 and then 25.52 and here 255.5 and then all of this, oh, 2, and here also say 255.25 and the last one 255.255 and then I can branch even further to 5 2 2 5 to 5 oh 5 5 2 here 5 2 5 and that's it, so on and so forth. So I will branch it, and in the end I need to check that I have 4 parts ready, and and the end the the pointer cursor is pointing to the end of the kind of word that I have as an input. So this is the idea. So I'll start coding that one. So I'll have like private void pt function and it will accept int pointer, or like start and then string star and then list string result and then So every time I need to check if it's a valid string or not. And the validity can be defined if I convert that uh, to a number. It should be within the range from 0 to 255. So I'm thinking right now about indexes for the start and end. Okay, parts. Let's say call it parts. And then what I'll do here, okay, like this, like this. So I will start iterating here. So I need to check if start is equal start.length, then I will do this string p equals new string builder. Let's say start and parts. Let's say part, just part. In parts, I'll do b that append. Okay, so I need to check if it's the first index. b times I equals 0, I will then part length I plus plus. If I equals 0, if I not equals 0, I do fb dot append. And then return. And then for the rest of it, I need to check if for int I equals 0, equals start, I less than start length mass minimum start length. And here start plus 2 plus plus, and we need to check if it's valid from the start, from the say end. This could be end. Yeah, it's gonna be end. Private boolean is valid part let's say I'm gonna be end like this, and so I need to basically say um, point I equals 0 less than target length start and I plus and then int n equals 0 n equals n, let's say num equals num multiplied by 10 plus third chart I and then minus 0 here like this, and then return num. Yep. Um, oh no, not num. Return num greater equal 0 and num less than equal or equal 255. Okay, and I need to check if is valid part start and string. I will add. If not valid, I'll continue, else I will do parts pointer. I'll do the parts pointer equals start and then parts pointer, and then I'll go bt and plus one parts pointer plus one, and then result, and then string. And to launch it, I'll do the bt, like I need list string result because new relist, and then I'll do bt 0 new int, say 4 here too, 0 result, then s return result. Yes, a little recap what I do here. I solve the problem with bt backtracking approach. I pass to the backtracking function start. It's an index of the start of the part, current set of parts. Parts, it's a two-dimensional array. The first index is the index of part. We have 0, 1, 2, and 3 part, and the index 0, 1, 2, 3, and then the length of the part at the index is just 2. It's just the coordinates of start and end within the string str, um, start and end inclusive, and then I'll have a parts pointer, I'll have a result, and I'll have a string as arguments, and then I check if the start is actually at the string that length. So at the end I check I create string builder, then I check if it's like the first part. If it's not the first part, I'll append dot to the string builder. Otherwise, I will and on every part I will just append a substring of str that starts at parts I0 and ends at I1 plus parts I1 at +1, because substring is kind of and exclusive. And I'll add this this IP that I stored in SP and string builder. I'll convert the string and add it to result and then return. So for the BT iteration, I'll have this. For the current part, I check the what's the start pointer, and I kind of iterate over the end pointer. That can be like no further than uh, 2 characters from their start, and I check if it's valid part. I'll add the part coordinates to the current parts pointer. I'll increment it, and um, yeah, and send it to the next BT iteration. And if valid part, we'll just check the if it's it will accumulate the number that's contained within the string from start to end, start and inclusive, and I'll check if the range for this number is within like IP part bounds. That's it. I'll try to run it. Let's check if it works. Mm. Oh, I need to check if parts pointer is equal 4, but we are not at the end, I'll just return. Mm. That's interesting case. There is an edge case. Yeah, seems like a 0 messes up. Yeah, this one is interesting. Why I have so many zeros here? Mm, okay, I guess this function needs to be changed. Um, if I is greater than start and num is equal 0, return false. Okay, this one worked. What else didn't work here? 10, 1, 10, 1, 0, 23, 3. Why add 3 in the end? So we came to the end. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna wrap up. So I guess it's fail, cause I failed uh, to find this mistake without running this Leetcode charge. Let's check missions. Okay. Okay, that's it. Gonna wrap up.